I have a Sony Smart TV here. This is the one with the Android TV. This is what the remote here looks like. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a factory reset without using a remote. And this goes for you guys that, don't have a remote, or maybe you can't go into the settings to actually do a factory reset. Maybe you have an issue where your Sony TV is stuck in a boot loop or is constantly restarting or something like that. Anyways, we're going to factory reset without using no remote, okay? So let me just go in the back of my TV. The first thing you got to do is you have to find where your buttons are on the TV, okay? Mine here is on the right side here in the back. Yours might be in the middle or on the other side. It may even be like underneath here, okay? Anyways, mine's here. So usually you have like 3 buttons here. What I'm looking for is the power button and the volume down. What I want to do is first I want to unplug my TV, then I want to press and hold the power button and volume down, okay, the minus sign. Press them both the same time, press and hold, and then plug my cable back in while still holding on to this, okay? Now the thing is, depending on like what model, Sony TV model you have, sometimes, when you're holding the both buttons and you plug it in, as soon as you see the Sony logo screen appear, you can go ahead and let go. On other models, you may have to keep holding the both buttons until you see a green light appear, like somewhere like in the front here. A green light will appear, and then you can let go. And sometimes that takes like 20 to 30 seconds, but mine, I just wait till the Sony logo appears, then I can go ahead and let go. So let's do this together, okay? So first thing is we're gonna go ahead and unplug this TV right now, okay? Ready? It's unplugged. Now I'm gonna go and press and hold the power button and volume down. Press and hold the same time and continue to hold it, okay? So power button, volume down. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold both buttons. Now let's go ahead and plug in our TV. And now for my TV, as soon as I see the Sony logo, I can go ahead and let go. I'm still holding on both buttons. I'm not going to let go. I'm still holding Sony logo. I'm going to go ahead and let go, and it should perform a factory reset right now. Now the thing is, like I said, some of you guys, depending on what model Sony TV you have, you may have to wait for a green light to finally appear. Then you can let go of the 2 buttons, and sometimes that will take like 20 to 30 seconds, all right? Well, you can see it's installing now, or it's formatting. It's doing a factory reset right now. So give us a second, and then once everything is done performing, once the factory reset is complete, then it's going to be as if I bought the TV brand new. So I will have to go from the very beginning of the setup process. I got to choose my language, my region, hook up my Wi-Fi, sign into my apps with the passwords, and so on. Now we got like a little, okay, there we go. So pretty simple. Questions, issues, comment below. See you guys in the next one.